Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tanvir from SolveCraft, and I'm here to help you master Canva. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature, finding your favorite or starred templates. You know, those designs you loved and saved for later? We'll show you exactly how to locate them in Canva in 2025. Let's get started. Favoriting templates is a game changer for your workflow. It allows you to quickly access your go-to designs without endlessly scrolling through the vast Canva library. Whether it's for social media posts, presentations, or anything in between, having your favorites organized saves you time and keeps your designs consistent. Alright, let's jump into Canva. Here we are on the Canva homepage. Now, to find your favorited templates, you'll want to look for a specific section. First, on the left-hand side menu, you'll see a few options. Look for the Projects tab. Click on that. Now, within your projects, you'll find different folders and sections. To find your starred templates, go to the Starred section. It's usually located within the Projects menu. And there you have it. All your favorited or starred templates will appear here. You can easily scroll through them and select the one you need. If you're not sure how to star a template, it's super easy. When you find a template you like, simply hover over it and you'll see a star icon in the top right corner. Click on it, and it will be added to your starred collection. Here's a quick tip. If you have a lot of starred templates, consider creating folders within your projects to further organize them. You can create folders for different projects or categories, making it even easier to find what you need. As Canva continues to evolve, the interface might change slightly in 2025. However, the core functionality of favoriting and finding templates will likely remain. Keep an eye out for any updates from Canva, and we'll be sure to keep you informed here on the channel. So there you have it. Finding your starred templates in Canva is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what other Canva tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.